Hello friends, good morning and good afternoon to you all. Today I want to show you how creating a Python environment doesn't have to be a nightmare anymore. Whether you're a beginner just learning Python or an experienced developer, we all know how painful it can be to spend time writing commands in CMD or PowerShell. One small typo and everything breaks. That's why this software, pyEasyStart, is such a lifesaver. It makes creating environments simple and stress-free. Normally, with the old way, you'd open your command prompt, type cd my project, then run something like python-mvenv.venv. If you make a mistake, error messages everywhere. But with pyEasyStart, you can skip all of that. Just click Scan to detect if Python is installed and check the version. If you don't have Python yet, you can simply download it from the official website. Then, with one button click, you can create a virtual environment. It shows you the information you need. And just like that, boom, the environment is ready. For those asking, yes, I'll share the link to download this software for free in the description below. And in my next video, I'll show you how to install Python packages using pyEasyStart. Another big time saver. This tool has simplified so much of my work, and I believe you'll love it too. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.